Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore success stories in the implementation of digital twins in the manufacturing, retail, and logistics sectors. These technological tools allow to simulate processes, anticipate problems, and optimize resources before making physical changes. Here we see how digital twins drive operational efficiency, improving competitiveness in different sectors. If you want to know practical examples and how to apply them in your company, stay until the end of the video. Siemens uses digital twins to simulate production lines and optimize the layout of machines in its plants. The image illustrates how this strategy has reduced downtime by 20% and improved product quality by 10%. Bosch implements digital twins for predictive maintenance, simulating component wear in real time. This has reduced maintenance costs by 15% and extended machine life by 10%. These cases show how simulation enables companies to minimize disruptions and maximize operational sustainability. IKEA uses digital twins to simulate the layout of products in its stores and optimize its supply chain. The image highlights how this technology has reduced replenishment time by 15% and improved the customer experience, increasing impulse sales. Walmart employs digital twins to predict demand and adjust its inventories in real time. This has reduced warehousing costs by 10% and increased product availability by 5%. These examples demonstrate how digital twins help retailers adapt quickly to market demands, improving customer satisfaction. DHL optimizes its fleet routes through real-time simulations using traffic and weather data. The image shows how this strategy has reduced fuel costs by 10% and improved delivery times by 15%. Maersk employs digital twins to manage the flow of containers in ports, optimizing loading and unloading. This has reduced operating time by 15% and cut storage costs by 10%. These cases show how digital twins improve logistics efficiency and on-time deliveries. The cases presented demonstrate that digital twins are a powerful tool to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and optimize resources. From manufacturing to logistics, their implementation enables companies to adapt to market demands and stay competitive. If you want to implement digital twins in your company to optimize processes and maximize results, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we will design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.